L is for learning. We're on the lookout for four. Amazing! That's the letter L. There are three more. You found one. That's the letter L. Can you find the letters?
Where's the other big L?
This is the letter L. Tap the letter L. You found the letter.
Where's the other little L?
Can you find the letters?
Look at Moose. Moose A Moose. Moose A Moose has the little L.
We're on the lookout for four letter L's.
Look.
You found all four
Good job.
letter L's.
Good job.
We call this big R. And right over here is little r. R is for railroad. We're on the lookout for four letter R. Bingo! In other words, you're right.
Good
Great
job.
work. That's the letter R. Can you find the letters?
Where's the two big R's?
We're on the lookout for four letter R's. You found the letter. You found all
Good
four
job.
letter R's.
Good job.
Wow, you're great at finding